Howdy folks. A market going on here in Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Libros, books. And so today is a travel day for me. I'm going from the city of Santa Cruz here, which is the largest town on the island of Tenerife here in the Canary Islands. I stayed at a hostel out there for the last 2 nights, and I'm going to another hostel that's more in the interior of the island of Tenerife. So I'm going to the bus station right now, and we'll be taking a bus sort of across the top of the island and then down south a little bit. And then it is kind of more of a rural hostel, so it should be interesting and get some cool views of the interior of the island. But I figured this would be a good place to start this video with this cool market. It is Sunday. Alright, exiting the market. Now, as for finding the bus station, basically I happened to come upon it yesterday when I was just walking around the city here. And so I'm kind of randomly stumbling in that same direction and hoping to happen upon it again. Otherwise, I will ask people, ¿Dónde está la estación de autobús? And some more so-so graffiti. Come on, you guys, you gotta step up your game. Gotta go to Bogota, man. Check out the amazing graffiti there and get some tips. And here we go, a la estación de autobuses. And as you can see, a gray day here on the Canaries. Mostly I've had pretty awesome weather, but yeah, today's a little bit of a funky one. A cold winter's day for the Canaries anyways. I'm like a little bit too warm in this long sleeve shirt, so it's not that bad. Bus number 380, La Corujera, 2:40 p.m. So I'm now in the little town of, oh man, now I forgot, La Oratova, Ovar something. And I have to catch another bus. That's at 2:40, and it is only 1:40 right now, so I got an hour to kill here. Hang out, find some lunch and check out this cool little town. This is a awesome island, very interesting bus ride. It was about an hour to get from Santa Cruz to here, and as you can see, all those amazing views of the villas and the ocean and everything. This island is very populated. It was basically, you know, town after town the whole way getting here. So anyway, pretty cool. La Colorado 1906 vintage. Looks tasty. That is good. Interesting. La Familia Rivera elaborada en Galicia. Galicia beer, Galician, another part of Spain, I think northern Spain. And I've got here a chicken sandwich, I guess, and some other stuff. On the menu there, on the other side, then it said Pollo Especial, and so I just said Pollo Especial, and so this is what I got. I thought it was going to be more like a chicken plate, maybe with rice and stuff, but anyway, looks good. So that was an amazing sandwich. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit chillier here, so I got my jacket on, mostly just because the sun isn't out, but also we are up in elevation from the ocean just a little bit. And so the total bill for that sandwich, beer, and a donut was just €6. Pretty good deal. And then I just checked my watch, and I have just 5 minutes until the bus leaves, so just in time. This is at 3:80. Okay, this is going to be interesting. So where I'm going is Pino Alto. Sign is right here, I think. No. Well, there was a sign somewhere along here. Anyway, the bus driver indicated this is where I have to get off and then walk up here. Oh, here we go. Calle Pino Alto. And so it looks very steep. Ay, 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 ay. And this backpack of mine is not light. So, gonna get some exercise here. Hello. Hi. Hello there. Hi. How's it going? Yeah, I'm not so bad. You don't have to worry. No big deal. Just a weird guy with a backpack. All right, all right, all right. Cute little fellers. Okay. Bye-bye. Calm down, buddy. Don't stress. It ain't worth it. And so I just asked that lady, Pino Alto ahead, and she said, si. And then right here, we got a very well-placed sign, fortunately. Mamio Verde, that's the place. That's where I'm going. Alberzu Hostel. Excellent. To the right. Right on. That saves me some time looking for it. Looks like it's going to have an awesome view out to the ocean. And here we are. All right. Hello. Hola. Oh boy. They got lots of dogs here. Hello. Are you the greeting party? I hope you're nice. This is the real deal. Spanish. Hello. Hola. And so check it out. This is my dorm room. Pretty rustic. as had been described when I read about it online, so I knew that it was going to be like a farmhouse sort of a situation. Now, when I booked it last night, then it said like 4 beds available, basically as I understood it at the time. Then nobody else had booked into this room as of last night when I booked my bed. So we'll see. Maybe I got the room to myself for tonight. Maybe not. But anyways, I'll show the outside. Check this out. A little taste of Morocco, or just North Africa in general there. Pool table. Bathroom down there. The African plains. And check out that incredible view. Alright, super cool. I'm booked in here for 2 nights, so it's going to be fun. Going to kick back and relax for a little bit here. And check out the city lights there. Amazing view, even though you can't see a whole lot, but you get the idea. I just ordered dinner. I'm not sure what I'm going to get, so I'm curious to find out, and I will show it on video here. And so check out this amazing plate here. A little hard to see in the light here, but there is a pork steak of some kind with like a wine sauce, and then sausages and potatoes, rice, broccoli with some kind of like sauce on them, some roasted tomatoes, and bread. Looks tasty, right on. The proprietor here, the fellow that is running the place, is named Thomas, and he speaks good English, and a real cool guy, and a good cook too. And good news, it looks like I might have the room to myself tonight, so that's pretty sweet. Alright, hope you enjoyed this day on Tenerife Island in the Canary Islands. Hasta luego.